So one of the parts of the plastic strategy is to reduce the release of microplastics to the environment. And this is important because there are large amounts of microplastics being released to the aquatic environment, to seas and lakes every year. And our main messages here are that we need to, from a marine perspective, address the microplastic sources that are either released directly into the sea, such as boat paint, or the sources that enter the sea through wastewater treatment plants or stormwater runoff. And that might, for example, be microplastics that are intentionally added to makeup and scrubs, but also, for example, the particles that are generated from the wear and tear of car tires. The Baltic Sea is affected by the use of plastics in all the surrounding countries. And mismanaged plastic that end up in the sea, but also microplastics from wear and tear of plastic objects, might cause problems for the organisms living in the sea. Large plastic litter can cause death or injury to animals through entanglement or ingestion. And microplastics, the smaller particles, also constitute a problem because organisms all from the small plankton to large marine mammals can ingest these particles. And that might harm different important functions, such as growth, reproduction, for example. The plastic strategy is like a roadmap. It gives us direction how to work more sustainably with plastics, how to reduce marine litter, but also to increase, for example, recycling of plastic and reduce single-use plastics. The plastic litter is a huge problem, and it's a global problem. I really hope that the plastic strategy will make a difference, because we need to start act smarter around our use of plastic materials. We cannot continue to produce large amounts of single-use plastics that are quickly discarded and that are, in the worst case, end up on landfills or that are burnt, so the energy in the plastic is not even recycled. That's the material. So I hope this can be a starting point and contribute to a more sustainable use of packaging materials and plastics